In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Apollo.io from your account in just 5 minutes. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and easy for you to follow. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser. This is the beginning of our journey, and having a reliable browser will make navigating through these steps smoother. If you're already online, simply open up a new tab or window. It's good practice to regularly check that your browser is up to date to prevent any technical issues during this process. Now in your browser, you'll want to search for Apollo.io. You can do this by typing Apollo.io into your search engine, or directly in the URL bar if you know the web address. Once you find the Apollo.io website, click on the appropriate link to enter the site. Next, you'll need to log into your Apollo.io account. You can do this via your email login or through the single sign-on (SSO) option if your organization uses it. Make sure you have your login credentials handy or the necessary access through your organization's SSO. If you're not already logged in, follow the instructions on their login page to enter your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the Apollo.io interface. Here, you should see an option for Admin Settings. Click on that, and then proceed to click on Plan Overview. This area of the platform is where you have control over your subscription details and other administrative options. In the Plan Overview section, look for the option labeled Cancel Subscription. Click on this if you wish to terminate your current plan. However, it's important to note that this option may not be visible to everyone, especially if you're on a free or trial plan. This is because these types of plans usually do not have an active subscription to cancel. If you find that the Cancel Subscription option is not available to you, don't worry. In such cases, you'll need to reach out to Apollo.io's support team for assistance. The best way to do this is by sending an email to their dedicated support email address. You can contact them at privacy@apollo.io for any subscription cancellation requests, and they will guide you through the process. This method ensures that you're interacting directly with their support professionals who can handle your request appropriately. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully remove Apollo.io from your account. Remember, if you encounter any issues during these steps, their customer support is there to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll do my best to assist you.